Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is EasyGet India. I hope you all are having a good day. So today's video is all about the new Tata Punch CNG. So let's begin. The high price of petrol and diesel in the country has reduced the interest of the people for petrol and diesel vehicles in recent times. Along with this, the demand for the economical alternative has also increased in the market. Due to this, many companies of the country and abroad are offering electric vehicles in India. Along with this, the companies of the country are also offering their vehicle in the market in CNG variants. Sometime back, the Tata Motors started booking the CNG variants of its popular vehicle Tiago and the Tiger. Now, the first glimpse of the CNG variant of the hatchback Punch launched by the company sometime back has also been seen. However, the company is yet to reveal the official timeline related to the launch of the CNG variant of the Punch. But it is clear from seeing during the testing that this car can knock in the market in the festive season of the 2022. And this will not only strengthen the company's CNG lineup but can also increase the sales price. Although the design, exterior, interior of the CNG variants of the Punch has not been revealed, it is likely that there will no change from the base variant. Talking about the features, like the base variant, the CNG variant also gets the power steering, automatic climate control, anti-lock braking system, front fog lights, heater, accessory power outlet, cruise control, rear parking sensors, engine start, stop button, USB port, and many other great features. The Tata Punch CNG will be powered by a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder Revotron engine. This will result in a slight reduction in the power and torque. This small SUV will be offered with a 70 to 75 bhp power and 100 Nm of torque. It will offered only in the manual version, and the Punch CNG will give the mileage of around 30 km per liter. Tata Punch CNG dimensions are as above. The length is 3827 mm and width of 1742 mm, a height of 1615 mm and a wheelbase of 2445 mm with a ground clearance of 187 mm, the 5 doors and a capacity of 5 persons and 2 rows, and the boot space is 242 liters and the fuel tank of capacity 16 liters. Tata Punch CNG features are as the 7.0-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system with accomplished and creative variants, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for pure adventure variants as standard, the semi-digital instrument cluster, Harman audio system with 4 speakers, IRA connectivity tech, a USB charging socket and a full wheel covers, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, electric adjacent wings, spirals, steering mounted audio control, LED DRLs with projector headlamps, front and rear power windows, follow me home headlamps, rear AC vents, cruise control, automatic climate control, and safety features as the dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, brake assist with ESP, and a seat belt warning with a hill descent control and the tire pressure monitoring system, the rear view camera and a central locking.